So let us find the product of matrix Mn and Nm. We are given M to be 2 minus 1, 1, 3, and N, this is matrix N, which is minus 3, 1, minus 2, and 4. Okay. Now to find the product of Mn now, just follow this principle. The first thing, the first entry here times what? The second entry here, which is what? 2 times minus 3 plus, look at this one, 1 times what? 1 here plus 1 times 1. We are done with that. The next thing is what? 2 times what? Minus 2 here, right? 2 times minus 2. The next thing here is what? 1 times plus 1 times minus 4. Okay. Now look at this one. Minus 1 times minus 3. Just put minus 1 times minus 3 plus 3 times what? 3 times 1. 3 times 1. Now the next thing here is for minus 1 times 4 minus 2 here. Okay. Minus 1 times minus 2 plus, we have, what do we have here? We have 3 times what? Minus 4. 3 times minus 4. Okay. Now here we have 2 times minus 3 is minus 6 plus 1. Here we have minus 4, minus 4, minus 4. Okay. 2 times minus 2, minus 4. 1 times minus 4, minus 4. Minus times minus plus 1 times 3 is what? 3. Plus 3 times 1 is what? 3. So minus times minus plus 1 times 2 is what? 2. Minus plus times minus is minus. 3 times 4 is what? 12. Okay. Now minus 5, minus 6 plus 1, minus 5. Okay. So minus 4, minus 4, minus 8. 3 plus 3 is 6. 2 minus 10 is minus 10. Okay. Now look at the second question here. So if you understood this number 1, kindly drop the answer of number 2 and 3 in the comments. Bye. Please kindly follow, like, comment, and share.